The 2019 Roush Super Duty Package. Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford, your certified Roush dealer here in the Midwest, bringing you the walk around here on the core as well as optional components for this package for 2019. So this is a really nice package. Second year we've had this truck in, or this package I should say, from Roush. First one for this year, so we'll go ahead and cover first the core components. We'll go over everything that's available, and then there's about 3 optional equipment you can get as well, and we'll cover that towards the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this package can be put on any of your Super Duty trucks. You can put it on an XLT, Lariat. I've seen it put on a Lariat with a Sport package, which looks really nice with some black accents on it. We elected to just go with the Lariat, and this happens to be an ultimate package truck, so you're going to have that as well. So real nice being able to put this on about any of your F-150s. Even with the F-150s the same way, you can put on a Lariat or an XLT. This particular truck happens to be a Lariat, so that's what it's being put on. So here on the front, let's first cover the components on the front of the vehicle. It does have the Roush grille up here, so they do put their own flare. It does have that Raptor look to it with their Roush flare to it. So here on the front, as well as the markers, or what they call the accent lighting there at the top, that are functional for it. So real cool look here to the grille. Also the bumper cover, so they do put their own bumper cover on it as well. We see that with the F-150 and now here on the Super Duty, so that looks real sharp, protects it too as well. You're going to also see the Roush license plate up there. This truck happens to have 2 that it came with from Roush, as well as a Roush tag bracket, which is positioned on the back of the truck there. Here it does have its graphics as well on the hood, so it is a matte black finish. That is the color you're going to get regardless of what other truck the color of the truck is, so that's going to be a great look to the hood up there. And on the windshield up there, you're going to have that traditional Roush windshield banner that they like to put on all their trucks. Now moving around to the side over here, first I want to talk about the suspension system. This does have your Fox 2.0 performance suspension system with the level kit. So real nice. Of course, you got your Fox shocks there on the front as well as in the back. So real great performance. Gives it a great ride on this off-road truck here. Also the wheels up here, they are these nice 20-inch Roush wheels. It does have your Roush center cap in there, and it's going to come with the bead locks with either the black or the gray ring. We chose to go with the gray on this particular wheel here. And also it's going to come with your BF Goodrich tires. So they are great all-terrain tires with a really good aggressive tread in here, so you can do some off-roading with it. Painted to match fender flares over here. So real nice fender flares. It does have your accent lighting on the front ones, the amber there on the front to go with your headlights, as well as in the back you're going to have the red one to go along with those brake lights back there. So great looking fender flares, give it a nice tough aggressive off-road look here on the side. Also your rocker molding here on the side, it is the graphics I should say, it is the matte black finish with the accent color. In this case it is the Sin City Silver, but you can get different accent colors if you'd like. Just depends on what exterior color you want to go with that. So this is going to be standard equipment. I know on your F-150 it's a heritage stripe and this is an option. This is going to be your standard configuration here on the side of the truck here. And then on the back you're going to see that USA flag. We've been seeing that on the Roush vehicles on both sides for the last couple of years, and it just lets everybody know that these Roush trucks are made in the United States of America. Now moving to the back here, this is going to have the Roush graphics back here, so I love the blackout panel back here. It's a matte black finish like you see on the rocker with the accent color, and you're going to have the Roush decal above that. So real good look to the back of it that enhances it as well. You are, as I mentioned earlier, the Roush license plate and bracket here, and it is going to have a hitch receiver cover. We don't have it on there because on these Super Duties it really doesn't fit quite right. It really stretches it out, but they do really well on the F-150s, but these Super Duties are a little more rounded and have a little bit more room on the outside of it, so they don't fit quite right, so that's why we didn't put it on there. And then also your exhaust back here. For all your diesels, you're going to have that DPF-Back exhaust system. That's going to be put on all your diesel engines. So real nice equipment. Let's go ahead and move inside. There's a couple things inside I want to cover as well. Now moving to the interior, this is going to have a couple of options in here as well that are part of the core components, and one of them is going to be your embroidered headrest up here. So I really love this. It does have the Roush in this case. It is the silver on this one. So not only the headrest here in the front seats, but also the headrest in the back as well are going to get the embroidered headrest. Also going to get all-weather mats in here. They're a WeatherTech brand with the Roush's badging on those. So footwells here in the front seat, as well as the mat that goes clear across the back seat, is going to be included as part of the core components. And then let's not forget about the Serialized badge up here. It is going to go on the console right up here, so above that screen. So real nice. It is going to have not only the year, is the 19, the model or the serial number is there in the middle, and then the SD means it's the Super Duty package. So that's how that's going to read, and that's all your core components that are part of this Super Duty Roush package. Let's talk about a couple optional equipment you might think about getting as well. So let's talk about the Roush Super Duty optional equipment you can get. There's about 3 options that are available through Roush on their Super Duties, and one of them is that console vault. So you just open up that lid, and it's going to have a metal cover over there that locks up for you. So if you want to protect your belongings, that's something you might be included when you order your Roush Super Duty package. Also, you can get the off-road utility kit. So that's a really nice kit that you can get. Include several different things to help you out. They can include some gloves and some different things like that. So that's a really nice little kit that you can order with your Roush Super Duty truck as well. Or you can upgrade for the full side stripe on the truck. So if you maybe don't like the rocker molding, or you want to upgrade, you can pay to upgrade that side stripe a little bit as well. So there you have it. That's all your core as well as optional components. Now the price on the core components from Roush is about $15,630, I believe, is the list price on that. And then the optional equipment, I'm going to have the prices down below in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. So that's a great way to be able to kind of get that information for you, so you know kind of what you're looking at there. Of course, that is going to be on top of your truck package, so it depends on what you have, whether you go with a Lariat or an XLT, Ultimate package, the different equipment, diesel, gas, of course. So that Roush package is going to be added to that, so keep that in mind. If you want to see our current Roush inventory on these, you can go to our website, McArthur.com. There you're going to see our Roush inventory under the new inventory tab. So go ahead and click on the Roush inventory, and you're going to see all these trucks there, as well as all of our Mustangs as well, and your F-150 off-road trucks too. So definitely check out our current inventory and see what we have in stock. If you'd like to order one, you can take any one of our trucks if you want to in stock, and we can have it shipped to Roush, put the package on it, and usually takes about a month for us to get that back. So keep that in mind if you want to do that. If you want to order your own truck with the equipment you want, we can order it, have it dropped at Roush's factory. They'll put all the package on it and then ship it to us so we can deliver that to you. So a couple of different ways to go there. So definitely reach out to us. You can call us or send us a text message at 785-378-5031, or you can call us toll free 1-800-874-6316. So really hope you enjoyed this video on the core and optional components of the 2019 version of the Roush Super Duty package. Thanks for watching this video on YouTube, and we have a special offer for you. Roush does not allow us to discount any of our vehicles off of MSRP minus rebate, but we will include some free shipping for you. So if you want to give us a call, you can call us or send us a text message at 785-378-5031 or toll free 1-800-874-6316. We'll do free shipping on any one of our Roush vehicles to you, so make it a little bit easier and quicker for you. So definitely reach out to us if you want to do that. Of course, check out our inventory. Of course, we can order one, have it dropped at Roush, put this package on it just like I said. So either way, we can help you out and get you that truck and help you discount the vehicle as well. Give us a call. We'll also negotiate with you as well off of that. What we have online, we can't advertise any lower than that, but if you give us a call, we can negotiate off that price as well. So definitely reach out to us. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Lets other people know it's a great video they need to watch. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps out the channel. Speaking of that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. It's a great way for you to be subscribed to a great channel like us. We're a Ford and Lincoln dealership, Roush as well, and we even do some things with some SCA performance as well. So definitely check that out. Also hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. If you haven't viewed our channel yet, go ahead and look through our playlist. I break everything down into playlists. We do a lot of make, model, trim equipment videos like this one here on our different F-150s, or our Ford vehicles, I should say, all of them, and our Lincoln vehicles. So definitely check those out. We have a special off-road package playlist for you. Definitely check that out. You see some cool different packages that we put together in that playlist. So again, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to, go ahead and comment down below. Love getting those comments. I respond to all those and read all those. If you want to reach out to me on social media, I'm at Tim Bartz on Facebook or Twitter. That's going to be right down here below. So just go ahead and go to those different mediums and just put in at Tim Bartz and you'll find me right there. So definitely follow me there. I'll follow you back. And until the next video, we'll see you later.